In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Nordvpn on your Apple TV in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you can enjoy the benefits of a fast, secure connection on your Apple TV. So, let's dive right into it. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Nordvpn download page. You can easily find this by typing Nordvpn download into your search engine, or by visiting the Nordvpn website directly. Once you're on the page, you'll see a variety of options for different devices and platforms. What we're focused on today, of course, is setting things up for your Apple TV. Next, you'll need to log in to your Nordvpn account. Look for the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the Nordvpn download page. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's straightforward and doesn't take much time at all. A Nordvpn account will not only give you access to the app, but also enhance your online privacy and security. Once logged in, navigate to your account overview. This section provides all the important information about your Nordvpn subscription and gives you access to the necessary downloads. From here, you'll want to go to the Downloads section. This is where you can find specific download options tailored to your device needs. When you arrive at the Downloads section, keep an eye out for the option that says VPN Solution for Smart TV. This is key to downloading Nordvpn on Apple TV, as Apple TV does not support VPN applications directly like other platforms do. Selecting this option ensures you're downloading the version that best integrates with your TV setup. After clicking on VPN Solution for Smart TV, you'll be presented with more specific platform options. Locate and click on tvOS. This is critical because tvOS is the operating system for Apple TV, and this step aligns the VPN service with Apple's ecosystem, ensuring a smooth and effective installation. You're almost done. The last step is to click on Download to start downloading Nordvpn for your Apple TV. The file size is typically manageable, and you should have it ready in just a moment, depending on your internet speed. And that's it. By following these clear steps, you now have Nordvpn downloaded for your Apple TV. Remember, using a VPN on your Apple TV can help ensure your viewing is secure and unrestricted, which is particularly useful for accessing content available in different regions. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a safer, more versatile streaming experience on your Apple TV.